My conditional green card will expire in November 2021, and now my marriage life is not going good. Well, first of all, I'm sorry to hear that, but what you need to do is individually, privately, go talk with an immigration lawyer as soon as possible. You need to plan for the contingency that your marriage won't work out and then divorce possible. And when you have a 2-year conditional green card, if you get divorced while it's still there, is one of the most complicated and annoying parts of the immigration process, because you just creates a ton of work and a lot of headache and time and all this kind of stuff you got to go through. So it's the most important thing in this kind of situation, if you have a conditional green card, your marriage is not working out, to immediately individually go and talk with an immigration in private to plan out what the next steps are. For example, you need to heavily document the relationship to show that it's real. And so right now, get the documents. So situations that happen where you get in a fight, you leave the house, and you don't have access to documents, for example. And you do other things like, document if there's abuse, what the abuse was about. And maybe you get the police involved if there's abuse. Don't shy away from that. Or maybe, obviously, if it's real abuse, not to try to hurt the other person by making things up. Document the days, because they'll want details of what the abuse are. What day was it? What time of day was it? What happened? This happened. They'll want stories and affidavits and all this kind of stuff. So you definitely need to just consult with an immigration attorney in private. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please click subscribe down here and ring that bell to get the latest updates. Also, please follow us at the links above on these various social media sites to catch the latest information, live videos, and more to help you be updated on U.S. immigration.